Alright, that rack is in. Gotta put the outer tie rods on, and we're good to go. Leave the system when you put the fluid in. But I want to go ahead and show you how this power steering pump is. That's the belt tensioner, 1/2-inch drive. Alright, we got the belt off counterclockwise. Release the tension. Then we got a 15 mil here, and then another one which is on the back side of it. Let me show you how. Alright, this is the side. Pulley goes here, and this is basically how we're looking at it. Got that bolt at the bottom, and then when we turn, see that bolt at the top. And I already got them out. Just wanted to show you. I don't have no light because my battery dying, but that's how it looks. So basically we're gonna take these hoses off right here. Take that hose off, take off that line, and we can pull it out. All right. Got the power steering pump out, and I'm coming out this way with it, just like that. Alright, now we gotta take off this pulley. Use my tool kit. That's what we need. Alright, that's the setup to when you turn it here, hold that there. This will push down and push the pulley off. That's how that goes. Got it off. Now we're going to install it with this one. Alright, this one got threads put down in here. Make room for it. See how long it is. That way I can screw it down in there and lock it in position. Alright, so this one pretty much is too small to thread, so I got to get this one. So I'm gonna swap that out because that fits in there and threads in. Alright, now that right there, that's how it goes. Should stop. Now it won't turn. Now you push this down, make contact. Okay, we're gonna hold this one still and turn this one to the right clockwise, and that'll push it down. Man, we go back in reverse order.
A few moments later.
Tedious as hell. Look at all that fluid. I mean, it's messy. I mean, bolt slipping out your hand, all of that, man. But I got it in. I got to tighten it up and put the lines on. I forgot to take off this piece here. Put that on. The new one, 10 mil. Alright, as soon as you take that off, you got a gasket, old one, take it out, put the new one in. Let me point this out real quick. So I got everything hooked up. What I did realize is it's pretty tough when you put the pump in and install it and tighten it up. It's gonna be hard to put that high pressure line in. Now, I made a mistake and tightened it up and tried to put the line on. I couldn't catch those threads for nothing. So, backed it out, loosened it up, had some playroom, and gripped, I caught the threads. And that's when I tightened it up put the pump back on, tightened it, and everything is lined up. Got the belt back on, and now we're gonna hook up this hose, just like that. And everything is hooked up. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up and bleed the air out the system. Then we gotta tighten up the subframe, because in order to do that, you got to lower that frame to even get up in here to mess with this pump and pull it out. This is the fluid type. Top it off. Get the air out the system, get the wheels off the ground, the front tires off the ground, and turn the wheels from left to right. Turn the steering wheel, holding it just a few seconds, maybe 2-3 seconds in between. Hold it. You're getting the bubbles out. It'll push it out. Keep doing it until the winding goes away and you got a smooth sailor. Alex Auto Repair, man. The Pull Up King. Till the next video.